Hey, ninth graders, it's Mrs. Olmsted here. I hope you guys are all having a very productive at-home learning environment and time with your family. Your teacher asked some staff members to share a poem that either they wrote themselves or that they could read from a book. So I have chosen to read one to you that I actually wrote for my dad, who was going on the Badger Honor Flight. And when veterans go on the Badger Honor Flight, they get something that's called fan mail, and people write letters and thank them for their service or give connections to a family member or their own experience in a battle. So I wrote a poem for my dad, just explaining to him how important he is to me, and I'm going to share that with you right now. The greatest dad that ever could be is exactly what you are to me. The memories that I hold dear, some long ago and many more near. Family vacations every summer, not one of them a bummer. I am sure I misunderstood when you said go to the park and draw blood. Thank you for writing on my lunch. I actually loved it a whole bunch. The poop mobile was our favorite embarrass me tool. That car was so uncool. Best buddies we truly are. I am sorry I crashed your car. Thank you for being so patient with me, especially when I'd bring home a D. Tanya, myself, and Nick, in some special way, each made you tick. Baby Agnes, Moo, Melvin, Best Buddy, Senorita Little Flower, and Guntar are all names that are so bizarre. And that is why we love you. You taught me to work hard and not give up. You have way too many coffee cups. Your silliness has rubbed off on me. Say I'm your favorite and set yourself free. Thank you for serving when we were in need. Grandpa and Grandma were proud indeed. Your service has helped make you who you are today, and I would not change you in any way. My kids are very blessed too. They get to call you Grandpoo. I know they can be loud. I can only hope I've made you proud. Love you, Dad. So that was just a little poem that I wrote for my dad, and I hope you guys have fun with writing your poems. Poems are a great way to express yourself, and I hope you're really enjoying this unit.